I am taking the help of Gen AI tools to write my emails, generating meeting notes, plan my task, and whatnot.
Well, I use generative AI tools for writing SQL queries, completing Python code, and debugging.
From writing blogs to social media posts, I'm closing things faster than ever.
Well, I take help on assignments and build end-to-end projects. I have even created my resume using AI tools.
In less than a year, generative AI has presented us with a whole new world of possibilities. There are news articles on people writing books using ChatGPT, governments adapting it for the official work, and even celebrities sharing their excitement on using these tools. Yes, there are arguments over generative AI eliminating a lot of jobs, but one thing is certain. Generative AI is going to give birth to thousands of new jobs that don't even exist today. And right now, you have this real opportunity to upskill yourself so that you future-proof your career. In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive roadmap which will help you navigate your learning journey and unlock the full potential of generative AI. So let's get started. Well, there are three broad levels of proficiency you may have with generative AI. You could be a user, a super user, or a developer. Let me explain this to you with a very relevant example of Microsoft Excel. So a user of Excel is someone who understands the interface, can input data into cells, generate basic charts or graph, and can use built-in functions like sum, average, count to do their work. Now, super user is an advanced Excel user, having a strong functional understanding of things like pivot tables, advanced charts, nested if statements, advanced commands like VLOOKUP, index match, etc. A developer can do everything which a super user can. Plus, they can write VBA code to automate tasks, create custom functions, and design complex macros. Developers can literally push the boundaries of what Excel can do. Now, to put this in context of our generative AI learning roadmap, the first learning level is to become a user of generative AI, where you develop a functional level understanding of various AI tools, how to get basic work done from them like writing emails or creating social media posts to learning a technical concept. The second level is super users, where you develop a deeper understanding of generative AI through prompt engineering for getting more complex work done like building personalized resume and cover letters, debugging your code, or designing marketing campaigns. The third level is that of a developer, where the objective is to build, fine-tune, and deploy your own LLMs. Now, just to be clear, in this video, I'll be focusing more on these beginner-level personas. For developer level, there is an announcement I have to make towards the end of the video. So do watch the video till the end. By the way, if you're confused about which of these levels is suitable for you, mention your current job or designation in the comments below, and we'll suggest the right level for you. So at this point, let's get started on the exciting generative AI learning path. In our generative AI roadmap, the first level is user of generative AI tools. And trust me, there is no better way to learn generative AI than by experiencing it firsthand. As a user, the first step is to create your accounts with some of these text and image generative AI tools, including chatbots that enable you to have human-like conversations, and text-to-image tools that can turn your textual descriptions into stunning images. Just so you know, most of these AI tools come with free access. So go ahead, create your free accounts and play with them. Once you have created your accounts, the obvious second step is to start using them. And the idea behind this hands-on exploration is to understand what these tools are, what do they enable you to do, and most importantly, trying out all the various use cases you might have at your own end. For demonstration in this video, we are first using ChatGPT. Here is a set of queries that you may get started with. Let's say you are a student and you wish to understand a technical topic in simple terms. For this, you may simply say, explain X like I am Y years old. And then you may update X or Y with the topic you want to learn and the age for which you want the explanation. Next up, let's say you have a data analyst interview coming up in 2 weeks and you want to revise your technical skills. All you need to do is just ask ChatGPT that give me a 2-week roadmap to prepare for an interview for a data analyst position. And you get your custom roadmap for the revision you need. Once you're done with your interview preparation, here is another mind-blowing thing which you may do, which is to take an assessment test. Let's say Python programming. that we are showing over here. By the way, we'll share a list of all the prompts we are using in the video. Find a link in the description below. Moving on, as a working professional, you may get your email written by ChatGPT for literally any specific use case you might have by giving the chatbot some context. Guys, the example I am showing here are just for you to get started. I would highly encourage you to try out some of your own use cases and unlock the possibilities. So that was ChatGPT. Next up, let's say you head over to text-to-image tools for your hands-on exploration. We are using Bing Image Creator for this demonstration, and here are a few use cases for you to get started. Again, let's say you are a student and you've just finished writing your assignment on the topic time management. Now you're looking for a cover image for this assignment. Well, this is the point where you head over to Bing Image Creator, generating assignment cover image with this example prompt. Looks nice, right? As a second use case, let's say you're writing a team building announcement email where you want to include an image that captures the essence of team building. Again, you head over to Bing Image Creator, and this time you use this prompt. And you're done. Again, apart from these few use cases I talked about, do try out your own specific ideas. And at this point, you may also check out these videos from our channel where we are showing how to build a resume or a LinkedIn profile using AI tools. Link to those are there in the description. In this entire hands-on exercise, the objective for you is to develop a functional level understanding of these AI tools. And once you have done that, and you have a thorough understanding, my friend, you may call yourself a user of generative AI. At this point, if you're curious to go deeper into the world of generative AI and wish to understand how to use these tools more effectively, pat yourself on the back and move forward to the super user learning path, which I am going to discuss next. After gaining hands-on experience with generative AI, the second step is improvising on your approach to use these tools in a better way. And this happens through effective prompt engineering. Generative AI tools generate information as a response to your textual input, which is commonly known as prompt. And believe it or not, prompt writing is an art in itself. As a super user of generative AI, you need to learn about prompt engineering in detail. The idea is to explore generative AI to its full potential, and here is the learning path for you. So the first step is to learn the art of prompt engineering. And for this, first you need to dive into the theory of prompt engineering and the components of an effective, well-structured prompt. It involves considering factors such as length of prompt, structure, providing context, and specific instructions to shape the response of the AI tool you are querying. Alright, coming back to the roadmap, the second step for you is to become a prompting rock star. And this would require a lot of practice by applying the knowledge which you have acquired in the first step. Let me give you an example here. In one of the earlier use cases, we prepared a 2-week long revision roadmap for a data analyst interview. Now what if I may add job description to this role as an additional information to the same prompt? If you think about it, with this additional information, ChatGPT would know the specific technical skills that are required for this job, and your new revision roadmap would be a lot more specific to what you're looking at. At this point, you might be wondering, is there a place where you can find good examples of prompts for different use cases? And the good news is there are a bunch of online AI prompt communities where you can get good prompt examples for anything you can think of, including FlowGPT, Prompt Hero, Snack Prompt. All you have to do is to tailor these prompts specific to your use cases, and you get your desired results much faster. As an additional third step, which by the way is optional, I would recommend that you also learn about various prompt engineering techniques. See, any generative AI models is like a very intelligent child. When you're prompting or querying this child, you need to be clear about what you want from it. And if you're not clear, the child can get very creative or imaginary with their answers, which is what we call as hallucination. So clear and structured prompt is what you need to provide as an input. And to do that, prompt engineering techniques is what you would need. As a super user of generative AI, you'll not only excel in your own work, but also guide people within your team, your friends and family in utilizing generative AI tools more effectively. That's a lot of learning we talked about in this generative AI learning roadmap, right? But trust me, the rewards are going to be much more than the efforts which you're going to put in. And to make things easier for you, we have an announcement to make. Our course on generative AI is now live. This course will take you through this journey of starting from scratch to becoming a super user. And of course, you get a generative AI certificate at the course completion. So go ahead and register for this course today. The link is there in the description. So that's all we had for you in this video. Hope we have made you all excited to begin your generative AI learning journey today. If you have any doubts about the roadmap or any specific queries which you want us to answer, drop them in the comment section below and we'll answer those for you. And for those of you who are interested in building and fine-tuning or deploying your own large language models, or wish to conduct research in generative AI domain, we shall be releasing a part 2 of this generative AI roadmap next week. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to our Analytics Vidya channel for more such generative AI content. See you soon. Bye.